First, I'd like to begin by extending my most heartfelt gratitude to each of you on behalf of Berkshire Healthcare's Board of Trustees, Executive Management Team, and myself. This pandemic has triggered events that are unprecedented in our lifetime. I am deeply moved by the way that staff and volunteers have come together throughout our entire system of affiliates across the state to care for our residents and patients in extraordinary ways since COVID-19 began to appear in our communities. I am not alone in expressing gratitude for the tireless and brave ways in which you are all caring for our residents and patients. I hope that you have been feeling the outpouring of support from your community and family members and have seen the many comments on social media thanking you for all you are doing. Your efforts are being noticed at both the state and local government levels, including the Massachusetts Department of Health and Massachusetts Senior Care, amongst others. As I see how each of you respond to the challenges that each new day of this pandemic brings, I'm reminded of the uniqueness of this organization through your strength, compassion, and tireless dedication. I want you to know that you have my unwavering commitment to continue to not just stand behind you, but also to fight beside you. Leadership teams across our system are meeting around the clock 7 days a week. They are developing and adjusting policies in accordance with the CDC and DPH. They are continually troubleshooting challenges and removing barriers that are in your way. They are addressing emergency plans around staffing issues, space, supplies, testing, and other logistical considerations for managing what, at this point, will be an inevitable surge across the state. There were no best practices coming into this unique challenge, and unfortunately, there are currently no antidotes. But what we do have in our arsenal is the ability to adhere to effective infection control measures, strategic cohorting efforts, and most of all, the continued exceptional care, compassion, and bravery of all of you, our caregivers and extended staff. Each and every one of you are invaluable to this organization, and I want to reinforce that the services you provide in our communities, caring for the most vulnerable population, are essential and vital to our long-term success. I know that you are weary, and I know that many of you are afraid. Despite this fear, you continue to show up every day and do the unthinkable, caring for our residents selflessly and tirelessly. For this, again, I fervently thank you. We cannot and will not give up the fight against this adversary, and I am not just hopeful but confident that the talents throughout this organization, along with the spirit of unity and connectedness that has been demonstrated thus far, will see us through to the ultimate win on the other side of this. We are in this together. Thank you.